this video, we're going to learn about how to repair corrupted BKF files. Let's watch the complete video. Go to Google and enter SysTools BKF Repair Tool, and enter. Click on the link shown on your device screen. Then click on the download button. Here tool downloaded. Install and run the software. This is an interface of the software. On the software top right, there is a select language option. There are more than 10 languages. You can select to change the software language. Now to import the BKF files. Click on the Open button. The window pops up. To add files, user have Search in option. In this option, you can select the drive from your system. Another option is Search in subfolders. Users have a search button and a browse button. With the browse button, you can search the file manually, and select the file, and click on the Open button. Now here file imported. Scan type, there are 3 scan options, such as Quick Scan, for recovering backup data from BKF files, so it scans data quickly. Advanced Scan, for a better recovery rate, it also scans corrupt BKF files twice. Range-based scan, a range-based scan can be used to scan specific BKF data ranges, select as per the need, and click on the Scan button. Data starts scanning. And if you want to save the scan, click on Yes and No buttons as per the need. File imported. Straight below, there are 3 options such as Filter. Select the Filter option. Here you can see data split into categories according to the data. Like photos. The folder appears on the left side of the panel, and their data will appear on the right side of the panel. Audio, videos, emails, database, etc. And if you want to see the details of any single file, select the file and click on the Preview button. Panel open, File Properties, and File Options. Here you can see the image. Hex. Then click on the Close button. Click on the Search button. From Folder Hierarchy, user selects the folder, and on the other hand, to search the data, user can select the filter Created, Modified, and Last Access. Enter the date to filter the data. And search bar, enter the name of the file. Move to the last option, click on the Explore button. On the left side of the panel, Folder Hierarchy appears. Select the folder on the left side and selected folder's data appears on the parallel side of the panel. Select the data, then click on the Extract button. Now a window pops up. There is an extract mode. First one, extract the original location. This option will restore the files, and the file located at the same location. And the other option is extract at the selected location. This option will also restore the files, and file locates in your selected files. Then locate your file, move to the Select Destination option, and click on the Browse button. The window pops up. With Make a New Folder, you can create a new folder to locate the file. And click on the OK button. Extracted file users will find it the selected location. Here is the results file. And if you want to see the details of your data, then follow the rest of the video. Select the file and to export, click on the Export button. Now, the software provides 2 extract mode, which is Export to CSV. Resultant file and folder details will be in CSV format. Export to TXT, resultant file and folder details will be in TXT format. Then select the Browse button, to save the resultant file. Click on the Export. Here data start exporting. Export completed successfully, alert comes up, click on the OK button. Here is the exported file.
And that's it, hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.